This video will highlight the design planning for a lecture. When designing a lecture session, it is important to keep in mind that you are designing for the in-person component as well as the online platform or Canvas. Highlighted on the screen is the Canvas format, which allows students to view the content associated with each session. Faculty members have control over what content is presented and where the content is placed. The setup and design of the Canvas page will influence how and when students interact with the session content. The setup of the Canvas session page can be conveyed to the ED team through the completion of the faculty session handout in SharePoint. Please view the faculty session handout link in the resource section for more information about this document. Key components of the Canvas setup include the title, optional session summary or blurb about the session, learning objectives, which drive the direction and information covered during the session. Before, this includes any material you would like students to preview prior to attending the session. During, this includes any presentation material that will be utilized throughout the duration of the session, such as presentation slides, graphic organizers, or handouts. And after, this includes any supplemental material to aid in student learning. When designing material for your session, please be mindful of the text, color, and images that you include. Please keep in mind that during material will be projected on a large screen. It is important that all material is legible. This can be achieved through the appropriate use of text and image size, color, and contrast. It is also encouraged to only use a summary or key points related to the content on the presentation slides. Then verbally go in depth in the live session. This allows students to follow along and narrow in on key components of the material. Lastly, when designing presentation material, it is crucial to ensure that material included is aligned with the learning objectives tied to the session. This ensures all material associated with the quiz or exam questions are thoroughly covered in class. Once the session design is complete, the next step for faculty members is delivery.